haba pa asya ka jela kai Meghalaya Games ka basan ka balong hapo tura hakasi ka balai ka East Castle District le peteng ban dominate le ban telap ya ka jela kai takabayo adu shispa nyo teli ki medal baro hakasi ka balai la pelang ya babun ka jela kai kan top iki athletics ka bagan top iki race bat kiwi de ka jela kai hakabala pelang hapo PS Sangma Stadium nang ta kiwi pat ki disiplin kan top ya ka volleyball nang ta ka judo ka swimming pat ki kiwi de ka jela kai hakan ni karan sanila kai de samla jong ka jela Hakabakot di kasi kabalay jang Meghalaya Games ada jar pesau East Castle District kala tamdu ya baro kabakalayo Andrew South League Gold, Sunflight League Silver, Andrew Fourth League Bronze, West Garden Hills Fragi Gold, Sun ki Silver, South ki Bronze, South West Castle District Andrew ki Gold, Fragi Silver kena ki Bronze, Riboy Andrew Gold, R Silver Katla ki Bronze, West Gentle District Sun ki Gold, New Silver, Sun Bronze, East West Castles R Gold, South Silver, South Bronze, East Gentle District Light Silver, Iway Bronze, Eastern West Castle District R Silver, South Bronze, South West Garhwal District Kawai Silver, East Garhwal District West Silver, South Bronze, North Garhwal District Layo Iway Bronze, Katbaka South Garhwal District Kapadyo Medal AA.